So guys, my air compression motor went out, but I bought this old Craftsman table saw for 50 bucks a while back because I seen the motor on it. But I also I was thinking about using it and keeping it, but I got a table saw, but this motor should throw right on there pretty good. The mounts are maybe a little different, but we're going to try to put it on there. So I'm going to finish unbolting it, throw it on the other one, see about wiring it up the right way because they had it wire spliced, and I want to wire it straight into the power switch on it. So we'll be back. Well, it fits on there. So now I just got to tighten it down, get the tension on the belt, and then wire it into this here. See how it goes. A pressure regulator. I almost didn't think it was going to fit, but it seems like it's going to be just fine. I took these out with my fingers, but putting them back in, for whatever reason, they don't want to tighten in my fingers anymore. So, I bought this compressor used not even 6 months ago. I knew it was kind of weak when I got it, so that's why I bought that Craftsman table saw. Table saws don't run as much as a compression motor will, and somebody ought to replace this one apparently once. So I'm going to use this side, tighten it up. These old ones are better because on those new ones you can't do this. You can't just change the motor when it goes bad. They build them into the compressor and then they don't come apart. You can't do nothing with them. So we got this side snugged a little bit with the tension on the belt. I can't get this side to tighten because, well, I can, but it's going to take me a while. Okay, so we're wiring this up. See how it works in a minute when we... I guess I should have tightened that down already, but right now I just moved them in place. I don't like tightening everything down until I know everything's going to fit. We'll go ahead and snug those down. Seems like everything's going to be good. Either my motor went bad or this pressure regulator thing is going bad. So I just got to get this last ground down here and under that. Let me go find a different connector so I can slide it in. The other one had wires taped. This one will get rid of the taped wire deal. Man, these wires look rough already. Look a little burnt already from their last job. Or whatever they were on before, but it's the only thing I got to replace it with right now. So that's what I'm going to replace it with. Alright, I think I'm going to go fat ground, small ground. And then maybe I need to go small ground, fat ground, so I can tuck it in there better. Okay. There we go. Okay, I think that'll do it. I'm just going to tighten this down. I don't know if it'll even tighten down all the way because the wire is so much smaller, but you gonna get some punches in? Yeah. Okay. Alright. Let's throw this back on. Now we can plug it in and see if it's going to trip the breaker. The other one's tripping the breaker, I guess, where it was drawing so much power to turn over. I'm hoping this one doesn't trip my breaker anymore. I would love for it just to plug it in and work. So, let's see. See if we can use this. Oh yeah! Baby, that's nice. Alright. Man, that was sweet. You know, that was way faster than the other one. The other one was barely even cooking. Hell yeah. Success. Put the cover back on and I guess we'll call it good. Alright guys, she's working. She's slow, but she's working. I still gotta let her air up slow. I gotta clean my garage, don't look at the mess.